Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So as you all know that we have started off with a new series on Botany Insider related to the general aptitude, that is part A of the CSIR UGC NET examination. So today is the second lecture in this particular series. And important point to notice that all the students that are appearing in this CSIR UGC NET examination, all the subject students can get help from this particular series. Now talking about today's concept. So today we will be understanding about the concept of rectangle. Now these are very basic concepts, but they hold a very good importance in the CSIR NET examination. Now talking about that what a rectangle is all about, I'll give you a quick overview and then the important formulas related to the same. So this is how a rectangle looks like, in which the two sides of the rectangle are similar and the other two are also same. So we have this side and this side. This side is known as, one of them is known as the length and the other one is known as the breadth. So the difference between a rectangle and a square is that in square all the four sides are of the same size, but in case of rectangle the four sides are not similar, and also all the four angles are of 90 degrees. Now talking about that what are the important formulas. So the important formulas are, the first one is how to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. So it is equal to 2L plus B. So L plus B refers to, L refers to the length and B refers to the breadth. Then we have the area of rectangle. We get the answer in length into breadth. Just multiply the values of length and the breadth and you'll get the area. For example, let's consider that the length of this particular rectangle is 10 and the breadth is 8. So in order to get the answer for the area, just multiply 10 into 8, you will get the answer as 80. Now the unit depends upon whichever unit in which the values are given in the questions. And then we have the volume. It is calculated by length into breadth into height. So these are the three important formulas. Now we'll be solving an important question related to the same. So now let's try to solve this particular question. So if you have practiced the previous year, you will understand that this is a previous year question and it is from June 2019 CSIR NET examination. And the question says that an open rectangular box is made by excluding the four identical corners of the piece of paper as shown in the diagram. So we will be making a rectangle by excluding these four areas and folding it along the dotted lines. So we have been given these dotted lines and we will be folding it in order to form a rectangle. The question says that we have to find the capacity of the box. So what does capacity means? So the volume which we have just understood, which is equal to length into breadth into height, could also be denoted or could also be written as the capacity. So in simple words, we have to calculate the volume of the box after it is being folded as according to the question. So when you look into this particular figure, you have been given the length as 40 and the breadth also as 40. Now we have to make the rectangular box, but we have to exclude these lines. So as you can see, the sides of the excluded area would be 10. So when we will be folding it from this particular end, the final length would be, just exclude 10 centimeter from here and 10 from here. So 40 minus 20, we'll have 20 centimeter from this particular side, and then same 20 centimeter from here. So after this, if you exclude this, you will be having somewhat like this figure. So the length and the breadth would be, length will be equal to 20 centimeters and breadth would also be equal to 20 centimeters. How we have just discussed. Now talking about what would be the height. So if we'll be folding it to this particular end, अगर हम इसको यहाँ से फोल्ड करेंगे and we'll uplift it, just imagine the situation that you have a cardboard and you will be folding it over here. So when you'll uplift it, the height of this box would be equal to 10 centimeter. Why? Because this excluded area is 10 centimeter. So we will be having the height as 10 centimeter. So you have the three values. Now just put in the formula of volume, which is equal to length into breadth into height. It would be equal to 20 into 20 into 10, which is equal to 2 2s are 4, that is 4 and then 3 zeros. So the volume would be equal to 4000 centimeter cube. Why? Because we have 1 centimeter, 2 and 3. All the volumes or all the units are given to us in the centimeter itself. So the final answer would be centimeter, and we have multiplied 3 units. So we will be cubing it by 3. So the final answer for this particular question would be 4000 centimeter cube. So this is how you solve these type of questions. These type of questions are very easy, and they are found, or you can find out these type of questions in many exams if you look into the previous year question papers, not only in CSIR but other examinations, other competitive exams as well. You find many type of these questions. So make sure you have a good knowledge about the concept of how the rectangles various parameters are calculated, whether it is the perimeter, area or the volume. These questions are simple. You just need to remember these simple formulas, and then you have to just understand the question. See, concept understanding is a different thing, and then solving those questions is different. You need to practice a lot in order to solve the questions as well. So from my end, I am trying to give you every possible help so that you can understand that how these type of questions are solved. Now if you understand this particular concept, you can solve various such type of question. Just take up any previous year question book or any practice book and practice these type of question. Then only these series would help you out in the main examination. This was about for this particular video. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. We have a number of contents available on Botany Insider. We have the recorded lectures in the revision format, notes booklet for the CSIR examination. We have PYQ pointers, test series, all that could help you out to qualify your examination with flying numbers. So if you wish to have any of these contents, the information for the same is provided in the description box. Check it out and you can have yours. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. I'll be sharing many more such tricks and tips for the preparation of the examination. Make sure you follow me on Telegram as well. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for watching. Good luck.